Hi guys, today we're going to do some blendings. We're going to work with words, with vowel digraphs, spelling pattern O-O-O-U-E-W. So let's start with our first line. B, ate, bait. B, oot, boot. N, o, no. N, ew, new. O, p, soap. S, u, p, soup. Next line. R, u, m, room. R, u, m, broom. K, u, l, cool. P, u, l, pool. Gr, oo, grew, grew. Ch, oo, chew. Sp, in, spin. Sp, oo, spoon. Gr, ape, grape. Gr, oop, group. St, a, stay. St, oo, stew. Fl, oo, flew. T, oo, tooth. Y, oo, you. Z, oo, zoo. Skr, oo, screw. Eagle, oo, igloo, igloo. S, a, o, b, oat, sailboat. D, ark, dark. Y, l, o, yellow. K, ook, b, ook. Cook, book. D, third. N, burn. Road, road. East or seashore. Sm, ooh, smooth. Smoother, smoother. N, ew, newly, newly. Gr, oop, group. R, e, regr, oop, regr, oop, regroup. Let's read the sentences. Moose has a loose tooth. Moose mixes a brew. Now remember, boys and girls, even I have a hard time with like the few last words up here when we're doing the blending. It is okay. Blending can be difficult at first, but keep trying. Remember, you can mute my sound or my voice, and then you can still do the blending on your own. So keep practicing and have fun with the blending. Do it by yourself. Doing it with someone will be fun too. Showing it off to a brother or sister, and just share it. Okay? Have a good time.